Let us learn how to use verb be in sentences. First of all, we must know the forms of the verb be. Its present tense forms are am, is, and are. Its past tense forms are was and were. Its infinitive form is be. Its present participle form is being, and its past participle form is been. We use verb be in three ways. Number 1. As a state of being verb in simple present, simple past, and simple future tenses. Number 2. As a helping verb with the ing forms of verbs in the continuous tenses. And number 3. As a helping verb with the third form V3 of the main verb in the passive voice sentences. Now we shall learn the use of verb be in the above three cases one by one. Use of verb be as a state of being verb. Am, is, or are forms of the verb be are used as standalone verbs to express a state of being in simple present tense, keeping in mind the subject-verb agreement. We use am with the personal pronoun I. Is used with personal pronouns he, she, and it, and with singular nouns as subject of the verb, and are with the personal pronouns we, you, and they, and with plural nouns as subject of the verb. For example, I am a teacher. He is weak in English. She is a good cook. Rose is a beautiful flower. They are very clever. You are a good boy. These beggars are hungry. We use vase or verb forms of verb be to represent a state of being in the simple past tense. Here again, we must keep in mind the subject-verb agreement. For example, Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. I was late for the meeting. He was sick yesterday. She was at home last night. The injury was painful. They were very helpful to me. Many students were absent yesterday. We use the base form of verb be with will or shall to represent a state of being in the simple future tense. For example, I shall be at home by this time tomorrow. We shall be always helpful to you. You will be at my place at 5 p.m. tomorrow. He will be kind to all in future. She will be at home tomorrow. This wound will be painful to you. They will be nice to everyone now onwards. Will all the employees be there at the meeting tomorrow? We shall learn the use of verb be in continuous tenses and passive voice forms of sentences in our next video. Kindly oblige me by pressing the subscribe button if you like this video. Thank you.